Hello students, welcome to the class 8th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn exercise 3.3, the fourth question. Before entering to that problem, let us recall the few formulas that we have learnt previously. The first one, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second one, a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third one, a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The next one, a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So far we have learned four formulas, that is four identities. So there is one more identity, that is fifth one. So we can recall, that is x plus a, x plus b and x plus c. So multiplication of this 3 gives x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square. The next term is ab plus bc plus ca into x, and the fourth term is a into b into c. So this is a required fifth formula. Now let's move to the problem, that is fourth one. Simplify p minus 2, p plus 1, p minus 4. So look at the formula. The suitable formula is x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. Here the first terms are common, that is x, x, x. The second terms are a, b, c. There are different three variables are there. So we can compare this formula to this sum. That is the first one is same. That is p minus 2, p plus 1, p minus 4. So the suitable formula for this problem is, we can write it again, that is x plus a, x plus b into x plus c. Then x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So here the a value is p. Instead of x we can write x equal to p. Then instead of a, the formula there is plus a, but here there is minus 2. So let us write that x a equal to minus 2. Then automatically the problem will be solved. Next, for the b we can take plus 1. For the c we can take minus 4. Therefore, substitute this all values in this given formula. So therefore, substituting these values, we get p cube plus, what is a plus b plus c? Minus 2 plus 1 minus 4. The x square is p square. The next one plus, here we need to write ab into plus bc plus ca. So what is ab? We can write minus 2 into plus 1. The next one BC. So 1 into minus 4. The next one CA, isn't it? So minus 4 into minus 2. Next, the x value is P. Now let's solve the writing one. So solving this one, we get P cube plus, here solving this we get, so add the values of minus 2 and minus 4, then we can do the subtraction. So minus 2 minus 4, we get minus 6 plus 1. then p square plus. So let us multiply this. We get minus 2. 2 ones are 2. Then minus 4. Then we get plus 8 into p. So here I forgot to write that ABC. So let's write that plus ABC means minus 2, 1 and minus 4. So multiplication of all these 3 we get. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Minus into plus minus and minus into minus we get plus. So therefore I get plus 8. Next, solving this line we get p cube minus 6 plus 1. By the subtraction we get minus 5 p square. Then here what we get, minus 2 minus 4. So subtraction of adding this 2 we get minus 6. Then minus 6 plus 8 we get plus 2p plus 8, which is the final answer for this simplification. So simplify p minus 2, p plus 1 and p minus 4. So the answer for this is p cube minus 5p square plus 2p plus 8. Now let's go for the fifth sum, that is find the volume of the cube whose side is x plus 1 centimeter. Now the figure, so if we choose a square, so this shape is called cube. Now they are asking us to find out, so find the volume of this cube. So this whole volume we need to find out using the side x plus 1 centimeter. So let's write it down that. So what is given? The side is x plus 1 centimeter. So what we need to find? We need to find the volume of the cube. So there is a formula to find, that is, so volume of the cube is equal to, we can write it a cube, because here the three sides a and a. So all these three sides are same. So we can write that is a cube. Next, here the volume of the cube formula is a cube, but the given side is x plus 1. Therefore, we could write that is x plus 1 the whole cube. So, if we substitute this value, then we can find the volume of the cube. So, look at this. It looks like a cubical identity, isn't it? So, what is the formula for this? A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So which is the formula suitable for this? Side x plus 1 the whole cube. So now let us take a as a x and b as a 1. So let us substitute these values. Then we get x cube plus 3 into a square b, which means x square into 1. Next 3 into x into 1 square plus b cube means 1 cube. Solving this we get x cube plus 3x square, multiplication of this we get 3x square. The next we get 3x, the next one 1. So this is the required answer for this volume of the cube. So therefore we could write, so volume of the cube is x cube is 3x square plus 3x plus 1, but here they have mentioned centimeter, so we can write it centimeter cube. So this is the required answer for this problem. Now the sixth question is, find the volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are x plus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 3. So this type of shape or the diagram is called cuboid. So there is a difference for cube as well as cuboid. So this is called cube, a 3-dimension figure, and this is called cuboid, which is also 3-dimension figure. So there are 3 axes, that is A, B, C, or we can name it, that is L, B and H. So which is the suitable one, that is L, B, H. Now find the volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are. So this is the L and B and H. So the 3 dimensions are L, B, H. Now the same problem but with different formula, that is we can solve volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is simply we can write L into B into H cubic units. So here also we can write A cube cubic units, already we have written. So L into B into H cubic units. Now let's write it in the multiplication form, that is x plus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 3. So now look at this. Comparing this, we can find x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. So which has the suitable identity, that is x plus A, x plus B, x plus C, which is equal to x cube plus A plus B plus C into x square, then AB plus BC plus CA into x plus A into B into C. So now we can choose the appropriate values for this. Here x is equal to x. So the next one, for the A we can choose 2. For the B we can choose, that is minus 1. For the C we can choose C equal to minus 3. Now we can substitute these values in the formula, then we get x cube plus, what is A value? 2 minus 1 minus 3 into x square. Then we can write AB, which means multiplication of A into B. So 2 into minus 1 we get minus 2. What is BC? Minus 1 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus, and 1 3s are 3 we get. Then the multiplication of CA, which means C into A. So minus into plus we get minus, 3 2s are 6 into x. So what is ABC value is 2 into minus 1 into minus 3. Next, solving this we get x cube. Here there is a 2 minus 1 minus cube. So addition of this 2 we get. So addition of this 2 we get minus 4 and 2. So 2 minus 4 what we get? Subtraction of 2 minus 4 we get minus 2 into x square. The same way Here just find it out. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 6. Here just adding of this minus 2 and minus 6, what we get? Minus 8 plus 3 into x. Then what we get here, multiplication of this. Here just multiply, minus into minus we get, plus, then 3 ones are 3, then 2. So multiplication of this 2 value we get 6. Then x cube minus 2x square. Here subtraction of this 2 value we get minus 8 plus 3 minus 5x plus 6. So which is the required solution for the given problem, or we can write this is the volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. With this we shall complete the problem.